You found Zen Business. Maybe you saw it on a list. Maybe someone in a forum mentioned it. Maybe you just searched cheapest LT service. And there it was. $0 for formation. But before you type your name and hit submit, give me 10 minutes. I'm going to give you what most review videos won't, the real picture. Not the marketing page, not the star rating, the actual breakdown of what Zen Business does, what it costs in practice, where it genuinely earns its reputation, and the specific things that trip people up every time. 10 minutes, everything you need. Let's go. Hi, I'm Stacey, and I'm with LC Buddy. We build and maintain formation guides for all 50 states. Filing fees, naming rules, deadlines, and the gotchas. We update them constantly because this stuff actually changes. We've reviewed more formation services than I can count. We go through the actual checkout flow. We read the real complaints. We track pricing changes. So when I say something about Zen Business today, it comes from that. One thing up front, the link to Zen Business is below this video. That's an affiliate link. If you use it, we earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. I'm telling you that now, not in a disclaimer you'd never read. Everything I say in this video stands whether you use our link or not. Zen Business was founded in 2015 in Austin, Texas. They focus on one thing, making business formation fast, affordable, and less confusing than figuring it out yourself. That focus shows. They've helped to form over 500,000 businesses. That's not a marketing number. That's a decade of real filings at a scale. They hold a 4.8 out of 5 on Trustpilot with over 26,000 reviews, and they've been BBB accredited with an A+ rating since 2019. Their core promise is accuracy. Every plan comes with what they call a 100% accuracy guarantee, meaning if they make a mistake on your formation filing, they will fix it at their cost. For a first time founder, that piece is real. Something that's easy to miss. Zen Business is a public benefit corporation. They have a program that reinvests a portion of revenue to support small business owners in underserved communities. That's baked into how the company operates. And it gives you a sense of what they're really about. Zen Business has 3 plans. Here's the honest version of each, not the marketing version. Before I go through them, pricing in this industry changes regularly. The figures I'm giving you are current as of when we made this video. For the latest numbers, check the link at lcbuddy.com/zenbusiness below. We keep that page updated. When Zen Business says $0, they mean $0 to them. You still pay your state's mandatory filing fee, and that ranges from about $50 to over $500 depending on where you're filing. That part is non-negotiable. No service on earth can waive the state fee. This is what you get. LC formation filing, name availability search, phone and email support, online document access, an operating agreement template, a personalized dashboard, and Zen Business's 100% accuracy guarantee. Processing is standard, typically several business days on Zen Business's end before the state takes over on its own timeline. There's also something called worry-free compliance bundled in, free for the first year. After that, it auto-renews at around $199 per year. That line is easy to miss at checkout. It's not a trap, but you need to know it's there. Tiny but important detail. EIN is not included in the starter plan. Zen Business will offer it to file for you at checkout for around $99. But US residents with a social security number can get an EIN directly from irs.gov in about 5 minutes, completely free. If you're comfortable doing that yourself, skip the add-on. Non-US residents have a different process. I'll cover that in the example section. The Pro Plan's headline upgrade is speed. Zen Business processes your filing in 1 business day instead of the standard timeline. It also includes EIN filing, an operating agreement template, a banking resolution document, and a logo builder. The timing detail that trips people up constantly. 1 business day processing means Zen Business processes your paperwork in 1 day. After that, it goes to your state Secretary of State office, which has its own queue that Zen Business has zero control over. Some states move in 24 hours, others take 3 to 4 weeks. These are 2 separate clocks. Premium adds registered agent service, business document templates, rush filing speed, a business advisor consultation, and a trial of their website, domain, and email tools. It's the most comprehensive package they offer. What included actually means in the premium plan. The website, domain, and email tools come as a 30-day trial. After that, they renew on a monthly basis. The registered agent service is included for the first year and renews annually after that. These are not lifetime inclusions. Year 2 and beyond, you'll pay for them as ongoing services. Budget for that before you commit. Registered agent pricing to know. ZenBusiness charges approximately $99 for the first year for standalone registered agent service, then approximately $199 per year at renewal. If it's bundled into your premium plan, check your renewal notice carefully for what it costs after year 1. Which plan is right for your specific situation? I'm going to give you 3 real-world examples in a minute. But first, the add-ons, because this is where people quietly overspend. ZenBusiness lets you add individual services to any plan at checkout. Here's a clear-eyed read on each one. Prices listed are approximate. Always check current pricing at lcbuddy.com/zenbusiness. If you form your LLC in New York, state law requires you to publish a notice of formation in 2 specific newspapers within 120 days. This is a state law, not a ZenBusiness rule. Skip it, and the state suspends your LLC's ability to operate. ZenBusiness handles this entire process. If you're a New York founder, this isn't optional. Here are 3 world examples. Example 1. The solo founder or freelancer. You're a solo consultant, designer, writer, or online seller. You want liability protection and a real business entity. Budget is a priority. Your move? Starter plan. File it, get your formation documents, use the operating agreement template, then go to irs.gov and get your EIN for free. Takes about 5 minutes for US residents. Your total cost to ZenBusiness? 0. You pay your state fee and you're done. Add the registered agent service if you work from home. It keeps your home address completely off public record for approximately $99 for the first year. Example 2. 2 founders going to business together. You're starting an LLC with a business partner. One person is putting more capital. You have different roles. You shake hands on how it'll work, but you haven't written anything down. Your move? Pro plan. And take the operating agreement seriously. Here's why. Say you invest $80,000 and your partner puts in $20,000. You shake hands on an 80-20 profit split, but you never write it down. Then a disagreement happens. Without a signed operating agreement, most states default to a 50-50 split, regardless of who invested what. Your 80,000 just got you the same share as your partner's 20,000. The operating agreement template is a starting point, not a finish line. For a multi-member LLC, I'd recommend having a legal professional review it. But start with what ZenBusiness provides and build from there. Example 3. Non-US resident forming a US LLC. You're based outside the US, UAE, India, UK, anywhere, and you want a US LLC for an online business, US clients, or US banking infrastructure. ZenBusiness does serve international clients, and they're a solid option here. A few things you need to know before you start. EIN for non-US residents. The IRS online EIN application requires a US Social Security number, or ITIN. If you don't have one, the online tool won't work for you. You'll need to apply via IRS Form SS4, by phone, fax, or mail. Processing takes several weeks. In this specific situation, paying ZenBusiness to handle the EIN can genuinely save you complexity. For current IRS contact details and methods, go directly to irs.gov. The IRS notes its fax numbers can change without notice. Registered agent. You need one. You can't list a non-US address. Budget for it. For tax obligations, foreign-owned US LLCs have specific IRS reporting requirements. Consult a US tax professional before you file. ZenBusiness handles the formation side. The tax structure is a separate conversation that requires qualified advice. Before the verdict, 5 things most people get wrong about ZenBusiness. Myth 1. $0 formation means I pay nothing. Reality, you pay nothing to ZenBusiness on the starter plan, but your state still charges a filing fee. $50 to over $500 depending on where you're filing. No service can waive that. Your state's exact fee is at lcbuddy.com/zenbusiness. Myth 2. One-day processing means my LC is ready in one day. Reality? ZenBusiness processes your documents in one business day. After that, it goes to your state Secretary of State, which run on its own timeline. Some states move in 24 hours, others take weeks. Two separate clocks. Myth 3. I have to buy the EIN add-on from ZenBusiness. US residents with a social security number can get an EIN directly from the irs.gov in about 5 minutes, completely free. The add-on is for convenience, not necessity. Myth 4. Worry-free compliance is a one-time inclusion. Free in year 1 for the starter plan. Then, it auto-renews at approximately $199 per year. If you don't want it after year 1, cancel before the renewal notice triggers. Myth 5. Once I form my LC, I'm done. Reality? Formation is step 1. Most states require annual reports filed every year. Your registered agent needs to be current. Missing an annual report can mean late fees. Or in some states, your LC gets administratively dissolved without warning. Here are 5 mistakes and how to avoid them. 1. Buying the EIN add-on when you don't need to. For US residents, go to irs.gov, apply online, and get it in 5 minutes for free. Save the fee. 2. Missing the worry-free compliance auto-renewal. It's free year 1 on the starter plan, then approximately $199 per year. Watch for the renewal email. Cancel before it triggers if you don't need it. 3. Using your home address as your registered agent. Your registered agent address goes on public record permanently. Anyone who looks up your LC can find that address. A registered agent service keeps your home completely off the filing. 4. Skipping the operating agreement for a multi-member LC. The state doesn't require it, it's not a reason to skip it. Without it, your state's default rules apply, and they may not reflect what you actually agreed to. Get it done at a formation. 5. Not setting a calendar reminder for your annual report. Most states require one. Missing it means late fees or, in some states, administrative dissolution, meaning your LLC stops existing in the eyes of the state, often without any warning. Set the reminder the same day you form. Here's a realistic first-year cost picture across the 3 plans, assuming a mid-range state filing fee for around $100. Prices are approximate and can change. Always check current pricing at lcbuddy.com/zenbusiness before you buy. The California detail worth calling out. California imposes a minimum $800 franchise tax on LLCs every year, even if the business earned $0 that year. This is a California state rule, not a ZenBusiness charge. Know it before you choose California as your filing state. ZenBusiness does what it says it will do, accurately, reliably, at a fair price. The 100% accuracy guarantee is real. The customer support is real. More than 500,000 businesses formed isn't a marketing number. That's a decade of operational experience that shows in the product. The places I'd push back. The EIN add-on is unnecessary for most US residents, and the worry-free compliance auto-renewal is easy to miss. Registered agent pricing jumps from the first year to renewal, so read the checkout page carefully. These aren't deal breakers, they're things to go in knowing. ZenBusiness is the right call if you are forming your first LLC and want a clean, guided process with real support behind it. Want the accuracy of your filing guaranteed, not just promised. Are forming a multi-member LLC and want EIN, operating agreements, and compliance handled. Are a non-US resident who needs help navigating EIN and registered agent complexity. Are in New York and need the publication requirement handled end-to-end. Want ongoing compliance managed rather than tracking deadlines yourself. Think twice if you only need bare bones filing and are comfortable getting your EIN yourself. DIY may be cheaper. Need a licensed attorney for legal advice. ZenBusiness is a filing service, not a law firm. Are forming a nonprofit. ZenBusiness does not handle nonprofit formation. Our rating? 4.8 out of 5. Not a perfect service, but for the vast majority of people watching this video, it's the right one. This is your pre-purchase checklist. Check your state's filing fee before you start. Current fee at lcbuddy.com/zenbusiness. Choose your LC name. Search your state's Secretary of State database. Search uspto.gov for trademarks. Choose your plan. Starter for most solo founders. Pro if you want EIN and speed handled. Decide on registered agent. Add it at checkout if you work from home or want privacy. At checkout, review what's included versus add-on. Read the auto-renewal lines. After formation, get your EIN from irs.gov if you didn't buy the add-on for US residents. Draft or finalize your operating agreement even if your state doesn't require it. Open a dedicated business bank account immediately after formation. Do not mix funds. If you're in New York, confirm publication requirement is being handled within 120 days. Set a calendar reminder for your state's annual report deadline right now. That's the full picture. You now know what ZenBusiness does, what it costs in practice, what to skip, what to watch out for, and whether it's the right fit for you. For the full written guide, state filing fees, direct filing links, compliance deadlines, current pricing, it's all at lcbuddy.com/zenbusiness. We keep it updated so you're always working with current information. And if you've decided ZenBusiness is the right one for you, we have an exclusive deal link below. That's an affiliate link. So we earn a small commission if you use it. Doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps us keep making these. If this helped, subscribe. We do this every week. See you on the next one.